How to use threads from Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use threads from Instagram. So threads basically a new application. Now in order to use it, first of all you need to create an account. Now if you already have an Instagram account, what you need to do is just go ahead and install the threads application. So for that you need to go to your respective app store. After that, on the search box you'll need to type in threads. Here you'll be able to see install or open. In my case, I've already installed the application. So after you're done installing the application, click on the open button. So after you open up your threads application, now in my case I already have created the threads account. So I'm just gonna show you how you can actually create an account now. For example, if you have not created an account, just what you need to do is just switch profile, and after that click on add profile. Now from here what you need to do is, if you have two different Instagram accounts, so first of all select the particular account that you wish to add it as a thread or sign up for threads. So select the account, enter in the password of that particular account, and then click on a login button. After you're done entering your information, click on. I'll ask you to set a profile. So for that you can either set a username, bio, and then a link, and you can also add a link, or else you can also import it from your Instagram. Whatever is on your Instagram, it can be done on it can be the same on your threads as well. But if you don't want to do this procedure, tap on the arrow icon from the top right, and here you'll need to select whether you want to make your threads account private or public. Select either one of it, click on the continue button. After that you can see the contact that's on your following list, and you can also follow them on threads. So just tap on it, and you can just tap on the arrow icon, or you can also simply skip this process for now and click on join threads. Go through all of the statement, only then tap on join threads button. After that you've successfully created your threads account. So threads basically based on text based, similar as Twitter. If you are familiar with the Twitter application, it's gonna be easy for you to use threads. You can see there are 4 different icons located under the post. So here you can see this is the heart icon. That is how you can actually like, and if you want to comment it on some particular post, then tap on the icon of the comment right in center, type in the comment, click on the post button, and after that you've successfully posted. And if you want to repost the content, tap on this upside down arrow icon just like that, and you can see you can either repost it or you can just quote it. Or else if you want to share this particular content with your friends, tap on the arrow icon, share the particular contact to whom you actually want to do it so, and that's how you can share the contact. And if you want to go to your profile, tap on the profile, and if you want to add some content or maybe whatever sort of information, tap on the icon located right in center, start typing in. If you want to add a image, tap on the photo icon. You can also add a gif, you can also add a voice note and all that, you can also add a poll and all that, and click on the post button. Once you've done that, you've successfully added the polls, and you can start following contact that you wish to follow. And you can just go to your home page by tapping on the home icon from the bottom left corner. You also have the search bar tool, tap on it, and you can find the user to whom you actually think you should follow, or you can just stalk someone who you actually want to do it. So now you can also go to this heart icon, and here you'll be able to see all of your activities, such as your activity recently, what you've done, follows, replies, mentions, if somebody has mentioned you, quotes, and all of the repost, verified, whatever thing. So that is basically how you can use the threads from Instagram. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.